The fact that there's no transparency in the government anymore. What we're subjected to at the moment is a form of what I call a military dictatorship in the guise of a democratic government. We are headed towards fascism. They want to take away our rights from birth to death. They now are saying, from the latest Supreme Court judgment on the 17th of October, 2019, that the HSE, in regards to public patients, and this does not apply to anyone that is a private patient, if you go into the hospital and you will not take the form of treatment that they want to give you and you want to leave, they say that they can detain you and force you to take their form of treatment by means of a court order. What they will do is they will detain you unlawfully. They will isolate you from your family. They will appoint a substitute decision maker. That decision maker will then purportedly become your proxy and speak your mind, as if you're not able to speak your own mind. An application will be made to the President of the High Court, the Wars of Court judge, under the Lunacy Regulation Ireland Act 1871. Well, I've called down the President of the High Court last week on the 20th of November that he is a fraud. He cannot hold the title of nobility under Article 40 of the Constitution. He cannot hold that title of nobility, which is under a Crown Act, the Lunacy Regulation Ireland Act. I have received word from the Queen that Ireland is a sovereign nation. The Lord Chancellor of Ireland, Judge Kelly, has refused to renounce his title of nobility. He should be impeached. He is, in fact, a government within the government, and this is what the Irish people do not know. He has tripartite powers. He can make his own laws, pass his own laws, and act as a judge at the same time. This is contrary to our Constitution. People need to wake up. The only way he can be empowered constitutionally is if the people have approved him to do what he's doing in a referendum. In other words, we have a shadow government operating contrary to our Constitution, a crown government.
Well said, Pat.